Welcome. As far as came now. Amaji is super. Golden. என் உயிர தம்பி பஞ்சு அவன் மட்டும் வந்துட்டான்.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Don't speak in English. Don't talk me in Tamil. Okay. I'm not here. Okay. Let me speak. One second. Okay. தம்பி பஞ்சு எங்கடா உங்க பஞ்சு
Hi, Appa.
How are you? How is your health today?
Yeah, my day was very good. It's very nice. I'm enjoying my day.
Yesterday that boy told Panju told you're not well. It's very feeling.
Yeah,
My daughter is
I'm
not
not feeling well because of flu and fever are very high.
Yeah.
Now I'm very okay, ready. Gold King. Nowadays you don't want to go and comment and like my shorts, right? Because always Gold King always come and comment and like. But nowadays I don't know what's happened. Prabhati says hi. How are you? Everybody's good, right? Everyone is had your dinner. Kambat Catherine. Hi sis. Hi. Gold King. Amuju sis. Kambat. Hi Gold bro. Gold Nathan. Ikku Mutti Pochi. What? I couldn't understand what he write.
What do you mean by that mood? I don't know what you mean.
என்னுடைய நேரலை இருக்கும் தயவு செய்து வாருங்கள் 29 மணிக்கு உங்களுக்காக காத்திருப்பேன். என்னோட நேரலை ஒரு நிமிடம் மட்டும் வந்தால் போதும். Okay, no worries. You all coming there. Driver Kadam, Kambat bro, hi. And then hi live sister. I like வணக்கம் மாமா. இந்த அக்கா யாரு? அவரோட தம்பி மகள். I'm from Malaysia.
It's my daughter from Malaysia.
I did not comment because I had a much work. Sai Pallavi. Oh really? Yeah. It's okay. No worries. You take your own time. Anytime you're free, go and comment my shorts. No worries. I will be very happy. Chennai.
Nandini Kanagare, Namaskara. Mani Dim Panjo Uncle Raur Maisa.
And then Nandini Karikar say hi. Karika Catherine, hi
Uncle.
ஐயோ நானா என்ன பஞ்சு கூப்பிடு மிகவும் சிறப்பாக உள்ளது. Yeah, because அப்பா say no need to talk in Tamil, right? So that's why I talk in English. அப்பா வணக்கம். Thumbs up. I think this live have 12 people. Please go and subscribe me and go and see me my shorts whatever. So please comment and please put like. அப்பா வணக்கம். மகள் பிரேமாவதி நீங்க நல்லா இருக்கேன்ப்பா. கொஞ்சம் ஃபீவர் நல்லா இருக்கு. I'm fine அப்பா. பிரகு பிரியா கோல்ட் அண்ணா. Okay, அண்ணா இருக்கீங்களா? Yeah, he's here. வணக்கம் பஞ்சு அப்படின்னு நேசமணி சொல்றாங்க. Gold King, your son I don't see anything. Don't take this wrong.
Premaji said that everyone is not a Panju. He's not here.
Okay, not this one is a Panju appa. This one is a Nathan appa. So call everyone is a Nathan. Okay. I don't see anything. Don't take it wrong because I have a work. Sai Pallavi. It's okay. No worries. Sagundala, please subscribe. Sagundala says support my channel. Sure. Day Poran Innala Mudila. Day Poran because I think so many here. I think I couldn't know the English very well. So that's why everybody leaves the life. பேசுறவங்களுக்கு வணக்கம். Yeah. வணக்கம் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Here Krishna அம்மா. Okay, Vicky Krishna. Yeah, how is everyone? Everyone's good, right? Okay, Priya, சாப்பிட்டியா டப்பா? சாப்பிட்டியா? தலைவா, thumbs. வணக்கம் மச்சான்.
வணக்கம் மச்சான். மாப்பு. How are you, மாப்பு? Dava Pancha. This is Nathan here. Okay. It's KK.
How is everyone? Everyone good, right? Please comment. I can read in Tamil also.
Hi, Shobana. Hey, Sabambeti. How are you?
Nalama. Krishna Kumar will be asked Polton Nanbas Nalama. Okay. Like that.
Janji Mama. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Inshallah.
Nalama. Prabha. Who's Prabha?